Now let us start with few of the AI visuals in Power BI. So let me show you how you can refer the documentation on AI visuals in Power BI. So you will get a modules. You can open the modules, or you can go to the documentation by just typing it AI visuals in Power BI. Just use docs and you will be getting a documentation for that. Okay. So these are like the modules, Power BI modules. You can refer these modules, or if you want a documentation, you can just go to this part. Okay. So let us see like what are the AI visuals in Power BI. What are the different AI visuals? Uh, no, this is not a correct one. So let me just write it here like AI visuals in Power BI documentation. Yeah. Mm, we are getting the same module. Just a minute, guys. Okay, so few of the example of AI visuals are your Q&A, smart narrative, decomposition tree, key influencer are few of the uh, yeah, here you can see Power BI visualization. Yeah, here you can see here like in artificial intelligence section, if you scroll down here, you have all this AI visuals like smart narrative, key influencer visual, and a decomposition tree, anomaly detection, and your Q&A also comes into AI visual. So let us start with the first AI visual, that is your decomposition tree. So decomposition tree looks like this. So it can helps us to do the root cause analysis on your visuals. Okay, so it comes under AI visuals. Let me show you where you can get a decomposition tree. So here you can directly get a decomposition tree. Let me show you. Yeah, you can take a decomposition tree directly from here, or if you go to modeling session. Oh, just a minute. If you go to insert tab here you can see all your AI visuals. So AI visuals are your Q&A. We will talk about Q&A. Key influencer, we will talk about this also. Decomposition, so let me do decomposition tree first. Then we have a smart narrative also. You can take the AI visuals from this insert tab also, or you can have the quick access from here also. So this is decomposition, this is Q&A, this is smart narrative, and this is your key influencer. Okay, so what is your decomposition tree? So you can do the root cause analysis on any one parameter. Suppose if I want to analyze, okay, so hey, what do you want to analyze? So I want to analyze the sales amount. So when I tick, or when I select this sales, automatically it goes into the analysis, and you can see that sum of the sales is this much. Let me put that into a focus mode so you can see it clearly. Okay, so now based on the sum of the sales amount, what do you want to analyze? So what you want to explain this sales? Hey, I want to explain by country. So you can just drag your country and put it into your explain by. So once you have done that, you are getting a plus sign here. You can see plus sign. So what happens? Your sale amount will split according to the country here. So you can see once you click on this, it will ask you that do you want to split that sum of sales amount depending upon the high value or the low value. So if I click on the high value, so it will split your data according to the country, and it is showing you the highest sale is in United States of America, then Canada, France, Germany, and Mexico. So do you want to explain more after the country? Yeah, so you can take a segment and you can drag and drop it at explain by. So once you drag it, you can see what things you are getting. So let me reorder it. So first I want to do in country. So if I click on this again, it will ask you me for the high value or low value. So let me click on high value, and you can see that okay, so the maximum sales is coming from United States, in that the segment is of small businesses. can I go further? Can I drill go down further? Yeah, you can go that. So let me use the products, and I want to see like in segment which product is having the highest sale. So you can just split that data. So you can see this VI. So this VTT product is having the highest sale in the segment small businesses in the United States. When the sales, this is your total sales. This is how your data is splitted. So this is how your decomposition tree works. So let me remove this label. Let me remove this label by just hitting on this cross button. Now let me do it opposite. I'll just go with the low value. So it will show me that, hey, this is your lowest value. You can at least focus on this, the why it is low and so on. So just go to the low value. So in channel partners, these are the products. Like this Velo is having the lowest sales. In this, let me check what are the products in this. Oh, actually I missed the uh, sequence. So actually you should get the order country first. So let me drag there. So first I want to check on country, then product, segment, then product. So let me remove this all. Let me do it again. So click on the lowest value. So first it is showing you by segment. By default it is showing you a segment. You can reorder or rearrange it later on. So after segment it will show you the product low value, and then it will show you the country, on which country have the lowest values. So you can refer this flow. And so this segment and this product is having the lowest sales. So this is how your decomposition tree works. So this is how the decomposition tree works in Power BI. Thank you for watching this video, guys. So if you like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep learning.